Good morning, everybody. We out here at the park today, Sunday, and seasonally it's windy, kind of like how Monday was for our last runs. But we're gonna see if we can tune the boats. We're running in a little weather, a little chop. First boat up by flip of the coin is Trey's M700, running 4S. We're trying something a little different. I found this in my prop box. It's a Octura X642, a little higher pitch, a little bit bigger diameter than the 40mm we're running. But just to see, like I said, we don't know what the weather's gonna do to the boat's performance. But got the GPS in there, see what she does. So he went 62 with the with Alan Elzer's 1615 with the same setup. So little ripples on the water here. It's quick, dude. Sounds different with the two blade, huh? Actually runs good, dude. You getting the wide open? Yeah. You want to do a speed check? How's it handling with the two blade? Oh, geez. Damn, dude. All right, guys, we're back after the blowover. I know it's not a legit run thing, but go ahead and see what we got. 53. Yeah, it's windy. All right. Well, dude, it also could be too that I got it kind of stuck down in the water. Check the speed real quick. Stop. 350. All right. Well, you want to try a different prop on it right now?
No, I'm gonna put around with it.
Huh?
I'm gonna put around with it.
With that? It's not back. He's gonna leave that prop on there. It went 53, and then blew off. So. How y'all doing? Good. I could have just, when I pushed the strut down, I might have pushed it too far down, but it's running good in the rough water, so. I don't think that prop run's that bad. It's just not. It's actually running good. I can see the wind blowing it. So when you go our dad blows it to the left, and when you're over here, it's blowing it to the right, huh? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
So it's not a trim issue, it's... Check your speed real quick, and then I'm gonna turn the video off, so we can see. It's got water inside of it. So, bump it, read, stop, 50 again. All right.